What's up, gang? What's going on? Happy Friday, Junior. It's your boy Chuck Boomberg over here, and got something for you prop traders out there. Been working and dealing with some really, really cool individuals that have joined the Bag Brigade as of recently, and they've been building this thing, and it's called Hive Mind. Okay. So I'm going to walk through this for you and kind of to the best of my ability explain it. Um, and yeah, I guess, yeah, we'll just leave it at that. So what you do is you're going to go to this link, right? And I'll drop the link when I drop the video. HIVEMINDIO.com/dashboard, right? Now, right now I'm in a private window, like an incognito window, because I'm already signed up for this. So this is what it would look like when you went to that website, right? So your first thing you would do is you're going to start a 7-day trial. And you're going to hit sign up to claim trial. And you're going to put your email in. And then it's going to send that email a link. Once you get that link, you click it and then basically close the link or close that tab and just reopen the HiveMind dashboard. Okay. And then it's going to look something like this. Now, I'm on the elite plan just because I'm kind of working with them, but regardless, this is what this is. Give you a quick. So, hive mind, right? Build execution discipline that holds under volatility. Journal clearly, measure honestly, and improve with intent. It's got a smart trade journal. Excuse me. Emotional pattern recognition, performance analytics, monthly goal pacing. These are your premium tools right here. And these are your community plus your billing models, right? Now, since we're in the, I'm just doing this little quick tour thing just to kind of whatever. This is your execution command center for psychology, consistency, and review, right? So we're going to go next. Now, goal, pace, and monthly target. This card shows pace and status that, sorry, and the exact daily average required to hit the monthly goal. Okay, so if your target, which I have it at 5,000, your daily target, you need to get 625 a day. That's giving you an expected pace of about 64%. Obviously, everything's going to say zero for me. I don't use prop firms. I don't trade on prop firms, but this is, anyways. So that's what this is. Okay. Now, your journal, your sessions, right? For every time you trade on the prop firms or whatever, you get to put the date, your P&L for the day, your confidence on your trade, your setup quality score, I guess from 1 to 10, your emotion before trading and after, pre market thoughts, post market thoughts, what went well, what didn't go well, and what lesson did you learn? And then you can go look at your past journal entries. It's pretty cool. Now, this is the performance scoreboard. Obviously, mine's all going to say zero, but as you perform, you can track score trends and objective metrics in a single view, right? So your journal score, your win rate score, and your consistency score, right? And then these will all adjust. win rate, total trades, average win, average loss, profit factor, best trade, and worst trade. Your P&L curve, and then set up quality trend. It's got an AI insight engine. You have to actually start using the stuff to get all this to work. Next up, Premium is the default plan. Most users start here for daily journaling, analytics, and pace tracking, right? So you have your open community, your free trial. But then once the trial is over and you like it and you want to use it, you have your Premier Trader, which you're locked in at this price for life, $20 a month. Full journaling plus trade review workflow, analytics, pace engine, and scorecards, monthly goal tracking with accountability tools, best value for most traders. Then you have your elite. Everything in the trader, AI insight modules, plus advanced drills, express tracker with tax ready reporting, priority feature access, and rollout queue. This is going to get better and better and better. Look, as most of you know, quantum view, right? I have been an advocate of them, and I know there's been many or few of you or whatever that have either used quant view in the past or currently, but that's where I post all those signals, right? The stock signals, the future signals, or even in the Discord server with the automatic posting, short signals for like the 7 equities that I have on that. Now, I don't just promote things that people approach me with. I do my due diligence. I look through it and make sure that I'm okay with it before I even promote anything. QuantView has been awesome. Shout out to Canton for everything that he did to make that dashboard and everything else work like a charm. This is a little different than that, but I think this would be extremely helpful if for all you prop traders out there, right? Um, Next, and this is kind of like where you just finish. You pick your tier, right? Boom. Um, Now, if you want to use it, I'll post all this stuff in here. This is the link so far, but this is just like my like little referral program or whatever, um, as like a ambassador for them. Um, I think these guys are doing something pretty cool. Actually, it's more than cool. It's pretty good. It's intelligence, and at the same time, it's allowing you to kind of become an analyst of reality in your own way, especially if you're trying to get funded and do all this. Because most people, as we know, can't trade futures on their own with their own money. The margin requirements are too hard. That's why these prop firms exist. This dashboard and everything is here and meant specifically to help you perform better, get funded, and whatever your end goal may be. So, again, I got a shout out to Anthony and the HiveMind crew um, for putting this together because I've never seen this. I've never seen anything like it before or anything comparable to it, at least. I'm sure there's something out there, but I've never seen it. So I want to just make sure everybody understands how this works, right? It even has your expenses, platform fees, like all of these things. It's going to keep track of all of it. Analytics, right? You got your community, trading rooms, right? pricing. We already did this, and then referrals. Okay, so this is just a quick overview of what this is all about. As things progress and they continue to add features and this, that, and the other, obviously I will keep it updated. If anybody has any questions, let me know. DM me, whatever. Other than that, at least at the very least, give the free trial a shot. Just to give it a shot. It's free, right? No harm, no foul. Yeah. I love doing these kind of collabs because it's very rare that I come across, you know, products that actually do something. I've been approached by, I couldn't tell you how many people that, and they were all scams for the most part. So, anyways, this is just like a quick preview of what HiveMind's all about. As it continues to grow, it's just going to get better and better. So, again, I will say this. If you have any questions about it, if you're just let me know. Let me know. All right. Well, I guess that's it for now. It's your boy Chuck Boomberg. You know what to do. Bag Brigade or die, baby. Shout out to HiveMind.